I think when you're born and raised in a city like Bengaluru,
cool.
You realize it's Coorg, you realize it's green, it's beautiful, and the topography completely changes when you go to a place like the Middle East. It's barren, it's buildings, it's glamour, it's glitter, but there's nothing for the soul.
Time and again I tell the same thing. We Bangaloreans, nan Kannadadalli bise, nam Ganchali ide, andre in a good way bise.
Yeah.
Ganchali means like very positively. Like very recently when I...
Positive Ganchali ide antanu ivatte gottagide nange. Very nice. Some moral important lessons. Positive Ganchali. Okay.
When I went to London, I was telling, so he's saying, namgon Ganchali ide. No,
but London also has positive Ganchali, bro. They're also very green.
No, but the whole point is with respect to the food.
Food, yeah.
Okay. See, basically I'm 100% vegetarian, non-vegetarian.
Yeah.
So for me, like no matter what, and especially Bangalore.
Hey, but I'm sorry, but London has a lot of. Vegetarianism, veganism has, I think, just picked up around the world. Like I know people who go to Japan and they're like, "Ayo, loota madak eno illa."
No, the authenticity. The authenticity. See, for example, in Bangalore, I said you get the best Thai food and Thai food also.
Wow. It's another lesson. Thai andre Thailand ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮನೋ. ಹೊಸ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಶೋ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಮೈ ಟಾಪ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಗಾಂಚಲಿ.
Positive Ganchali. So then I posted a video on Instagram saying like ನಮ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು after one point it's like we have to come back to Bangalore.
Absolutely, bro. That's because it's home, right? It's home, and home is where you feel safe. Home is where you feel protected. And I think that's exactly what happened to me. So when I moved from Dubai to, when I came back home, I think the city sheltered me. The people of the city sheltered me. The people I worked with sheltered me. And I think that was beautiful.
ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಮಯೂರ ಅಂತ ಮೇನ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಪೂರಾ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಶೇರ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿ.